Hello dear traders, for today's analysis I will cover Bitcoin versus US dollar. I will speak about the gold market and platinum and silver, overall about the metals, and then about the USD versus Japanese yen. I will start with the Bitcoin versus US dollar first. So what I found basically on the daily time frame is that market established the downside cycle. You can also see here in the daily time frame that basically 10 moving average crossed 20 and they're heading now downside. And this is technically the short-term downside trend. Basically we also broke 50 moving average, so 50-day average. We closed below and we're trading below. So even if you see volume here, we got a volume increase on this down cycle. My view here is that we can repeat something similar, at least something like the correction that we had from September 7, and this correction basically took about 20 days to complete. And the magnitude of this correction was around 26% of the drop since from this high to this low. If I project the same magnitude here and expecting here, this will lead us to actually the area where we had where we got a pivot support. So we got around 53,500, and then we have this pin bar low around the 51,000. Current price is currently we're trading at 58,500. We had a 2 days up, and then we are trying to continue with a more downside. So as long we are trading here, we broke 50 didn't, it held for a bit here, so there was a chance at this stage it will at least try to rally, but since that didn't happen, this is just a basically sign of the bear condition, and selling opportunities on the rallies will be preferable strategy according to the current situation, current condition. The next one which I want to show you is gold market. So gold market got and had a breakout of the multi-man consolidation, and that happened on November 10th. What happened after that is we didn't have any follow through. Actually, we started to drift here for 5 days or 6 days, and market went down. During the same time, if you check platinum, for example, platinum didn't have a multi-man breakout. Actually, we didn't break July high. You see, the gold was stronger in that sense, but the platinum actually showed already weakness. So it's a very, hard to expect for the gold to sustain this breakout without having other metals to support. So in this example, we can also see that the gold is right now the gold is near the critical pivot support, and this is around 1833. From my perspective, if we can go lower and close below, this can open the door for the fake breakout of the multi-man consolidation. So upside for me is at this stage risky on the short-term perspective, because we got this drift breakout. Platinum is actually going downside. Silver is also not following the, just sliding downside. So I can see the gold to back into this trading range. If we can clear and trade below 1833 and even close below, this will be a good sign to watch for even further downside, maybe 1815, maybe even all the way down to 1770 level. So bear opportunities on the rallies will be a preferable strategy on this one. And USD Japanese yen. Now, if you check USD versus Japanese yen, the USD Japanese yen is holding 10 and 20. You see the 10 and 20 are in a very similar area. We had a nice bull run. We had a nice big upside move. This consolidation we spoke about, but the price basically reacted. It's traded higher and then pulled back for a few days. Now, since we got this pullback, I see that price basically is supporting, and still 10 and 20 moving average are supporting the price. So I can expect the USD Japanese yen to continue and try to attack once more, maybe even stronger this time, the area around 114.85 or 114.95. So speaking of the swing term, short term speaking, let's say, I can see this still in the strong bull run without this. This can be just a simple pullback, few days pullback. So watch for bull opportunities with eventual retest of 114.75. That will be all for this analysis. I hope that you did enjoy. Wish you a good day and trade safe. See you tomorrow morning.